Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another Spanish video lesson. Today we're going to learn the numbers 210 to 219, how to write them and how to pronounce them. Or in other words, los números del 210 al 219. This is 210, and this is how do we write down the word in Spanish. That's how it's written. Remember, 200 is going to be our prefix for all the numbers from 200 to 299. In other words, it's going to be the first word we're going to constantly see throughout the numbers. So how do we pronounce 210? Well, it's 210, 210, 210, 210. Let's go to 211. 211, it's written like this in Spanish, and it's pronounced 211, 211, 211, 211, 211. 212, it's written like this in Spanish, and it's pronounced 212, 212, 212, 212. 213, it's written like this in Spanish, and it's pronounced 213, 213, 213, 213. Let's go to 214. 214 is written like this in Spanish, and it's written 214, 214, 214, 214. 215. It's written like this in Spanish, and it's written and pronounced 215, 215, 215, 215. 216, it's written like this in Spanish, and it's pronounced 216, 216, 216, 216. For 216, remember, there's a small hat here. It's very important. 217. It's written like this in Spanish, and it's pronounced 217, 217, 217, 217. Let's go to 218. It's written like this in Spanish, and it's pronounced 218, 218, 218, 218. 219, the last number in this video, it's 219. It's written like this in Spanish, and it's pronounced 219, 219, 219. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're done with today's video. Don't forget, if you had issues remembering how to write down the numbers in Spanish or pronouncing them, please stop this video, rewind it, and replay it over and over again until you're able to understand how to write the numbers as well as how to pronounce them. Remember to put that cap or the little hat or apostrophe on top of the E in 216. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.